So hello guys, this is Nirav and I'm going to cover up today how to create an AWS free tier account. Before going further and sharing the details with you, I would like to share about me. I would like to introduce myself. So I do have ample amount of experience working on cloud technology. Earlier also I had worked with many organizations support customer with respect to their migration management and in any sort of implementation requirement on AWS. So here we will start with the basic. We will create an account, and then step by step we will be going further, and I will help you to utilize AWS services and where we can use EC2. What are the other AWS services? We'll go and deep dive into the service segment of AWS. So let's start. So how you can create? So just type AWS, and you will get the first page. Just confirm that it is aws.amazon.com. Once you open, this is the home page, right? You need to go to the create an AWS account. So here you do have a two option. One is to go with you're already already created an account, or else you can sign up, right? Email ID, which is AWS name. You can give any name what you prefer. So you can go with I'm giving the name for this is core file, right? And then verifying the email ID. So verification goes to my email inbox. So I need to confirm that. Yes, I got the email. I just need to confirm the verification code over here, which is, and you can verify it. So my is it a personal account, or you are creating an account for your business? So you need to confirm that it is a personal account, right? So I'm going to submit my credit card details. Let's give it to EC2 Windows or Linux machines. So score Linux server, whatever you wanted to give, right? Whatever name you wanted to give it. Then you go down. Let's suppose you wanted to go with the free tier services. You go and click AWS Linux instance. Here you do have free tier. So even as today also I can able to use the free tier services. But after that, once I use it, I don't think that for further configuration I could able to use it at free cost or cost free. So I just go down, it's verified, it's free tier. Then go down, go down, go down, go down. Key pair, if it is required any key pair, you can log in through key pair. So these are many things. You just need to do the SSH, but you can also log in through uh, CLI, right? So I don't want it to cover it today because there will be many things to be covered in next lecture. So I don't want it to have it all the things on one lecture or one. I don't want it to cover it all in this today's session. But of course, in the next few session, I would take you through to other AWS services. We will go and deep dive into it and have proper proper understanding. We will also share the literature, how you can use it. We do have other practices as well. Once we complete this AWS course, we will also go in deep dive about the AWS DevOps, where other AWS services to create a pipeline we will be utilizing. Apart from AWS, we also explore other cloud services like Azure and GCP, and we would also take on the other platform like Terraform, Kubernetes, GitHub, Docker. All these services we can use while creating this AWS EC2 instance on Linux platform. So all these services on Kubernetes, Docker, Git, all these tools we can use on Linux platform, which are free, right? For Kubernetes, we need a better infrastructure, so it might be little comparatively little costly, but for other like Docker and Terraform and other services to create an infrastructure through Terraform, all these things are like not much, like it will not take one penny even, right? We can go and launch it on free tier EC2 instance, and we can play around it. We can work on Docker, we can work on Kubernetes, not Kubernetes, but on Terraform. Through Terraform, we will be going to create an infrastructure on AWS. We'll also utilizing Beanstalk to create an environment, create. Also, we would be going further to host a website on EC2 instance. It could be PHP or any sort of website. We also work on Nginx and Apache server, having login through AWS CLI. So all this thing will be covered up in the next sessions. But to going further, you need to be with us. Please stay with us. Please like, comments, and subscribe my channel. This is your channel. Take it otherwise, and take it that way. This is your channel, and you would love to learn new things from here. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining, and thanks for being with me. Uh, Happy learning. Thank you.